enti said ya agoro no ene nsem no ensia be ne de nyame am kure ni se Jordan Ayew ebeduru Ghana Kwadwo International Airport yesere mu ada mommo no ho ban yie said ya ka bintra beduru Ghana ha mobbo no ho ban mommo obi ahunu no se bi na momfa ma Jordan Ayew that secret na bi ana momfa ma Jordan yes ha de ya se the boys say ntwa no no se mu ja Jordan no aka say pay free airport no ba out ya o na wana he obi akọ bonus because now no Kwadwo Nkansah lewen ane Kwadwo Sheldon ane Ghana for ni bi abedin komo afa Jordan Ayew ni performance in boy born in no Ghana versus Colombia game na boy no ane the 4 matches na ya boni nyina no Jordan Ayew ni performance omu abekasa na omu abe blast the paye akeka bi edachen efa interview bi kwa na Jordan Ayew enra after the game no ahye Ghana for na bufu ama omu abe come adwen edachere no aha Penyah block me da mesra say any day mo obela like video no da ma subscribe button some back click notification and connect latest update na be chere wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section oba so a no share for Penyah bi ahwe na say open app obetimi da send ska every USA UK e da kofia somdwe mu say wa kwantu be send ska e koma wonua bi odofo bi oba o maame o nana o wofa bi anase open send ska e de mo bi na ode bi kura ma e wo Ghana but on pese e be long distance ba be send e de koma mobile money account mu straight ya fanala app no e no bi 2026 we here Nala eno bia used to be. Oh, any isi basa ka ho ne say so from promo code no. Penyah TV and sense ka ekofia. On be charge $20 for free. Let's go to the story. I was Ghana Blasters. Nyame anim no kure nie. World Cup ne free mu. Run of 32 years ntima nko bobra. Yang qualify. Ama enro no Colombia. Ye free. Na me hu say e be free that because born and here born ye ni vim. Ye ni Croatia e game am say Ghana ye nye ready person e yanim. Tell me why you're prepared, work or tournament. You've stepped forth in the battleground. Now, all kase me ma Croatia share me so that me nko share Portugal, me dwane Portugal, ma ko share Colombia. It me share that but team we share me. Say. Just say one kasa no. You are not prepared when you're ready to meet any opponent. It also be fee. It Ghana na no go share. Now no. O he match na boy na. Jordan Ayew in fact, o boy ka. From game 1 Ghana versus Panama or Jiboa no the amount for so union pass mo bi nya bi mo
Akwawe pa hwe
Jordan Ayew Jiboa on pass oya mano striker ba akọ say captain dey eda mu nu akọ say no
Radu here mobo with a chance, a clear chance. Cross the ball no. Jordan. Hey! Jordan. Hey! Jordan pa. Ah! She. Across the ball, I say. Jordan, the new console man bobiu. Any console man bobiu. Debbie. Ah!
Jordan Ayew nu akọ say no ama chese match e ko tournament a Ghana ko bobi nyina no so far Jordan Ayew si ho no na so ho the statistics as a whole captain enra shot on target wa mo ba kokoro in fact wa more shot enra a whole striker wa more shot
Jordan Ayew as e ko jogging see ya no the number no move see ya no Jordan Ayew oji ball na no atiato chese one dey opese oji ball na foul are ye ball na be foul now agrona mu ni edi anadu one to hwemo wede moye
Kwadwo we be young footballer but the small years I dey play I get football sense what's something make your eyes lay here what's something to see somebody you see this guy I don't know his name I don't want to mention him but watch him you don't do offside yes you don't do offside yet watch this guy where you dey. Instead of you to follow the guy, you don't follow him, you draw back. See what you can do for you too. You know if you take the ball. Can you imagine? Now throw cup, you take ball through. You get sense.
Nwa striker wa more shot assist wa nyebi striker Yeah, Radinyame. Striker. Rano. Colombia for kwachi Ghana. Etwa 1-0. Now right after match no. I know me Jordan you interview and say match no who say any other dinner. I was say so Jordan you kan no. Ano kwa ehye bufuo.
To what extent did coaching play a role in today? Maybe, some players kept too long on the pitch that have gone off earlier.
Listen, that's up to the manager to make his decisions. I'm not here to tell the manager that he has to do this, he has to do that. I'm here to do my best for the boys and to let them feel confident and comfortable. If there's anything the manager does what he wants to do and what he feels is best for the team, and there's nothing to say about it.
Sure. How would you sum up our campaign?
It's not good because we qualified. We qualified, and you guys, don't forget, we have a new manager. He just came 2 months ago and tried to install his style, and now people are adjusted. You don't just adjust within 1 month or 2 months. Football doesn't work like that. You have to accept it. We came here, we could see that defensively we were better. Defensively we were better, but then we fell short a bit offensively. So we have to find the right balance now, And it's all about work, and the manager needs time. He's a very good manager. You need to give him time for him to do his job, and hopefully things will be better.
Because say we on holidays. Radinyame. Say chama ejrebu bobo ni onu no odwini say obebe fie abeko holiday je say obeba abewo na yere enu na ehia unua enu na ehia no enye bo ne de ojina buka. Ai na this interview no ye no any the whole performance in the tournament no eno ana Kwadwo Nkansah lewen Kwadwo Sheldon any Ghana fo ni bi e de abufuo abeki kan wadwen e de akire no.
The manager does what manager yedai am what asafer wa photo sapate asia pajauti la jage pajauti am the one asia no fimi kakana no ne o ma so mo ase o ja fra no pokoto apua now so just how was your interview na boy no what really Ghana what it's about country.
And ye ma Croatia for ahye na ye koshia Colombia for enu nie ene monne na Princess Jordan me sister once this game we ni efimu a wa bookie the full month aka ye renfield dawo nyesi ye mpe wa asem o you don't play o de da ball so first goal mu sheye o ball want me an control na ye je ya ye ko sheye de mbio na apese ye nyewo na mo defense mo yi scenario se wan we pira na mo de obi ba alidu ba bi odai o ye short on team control long balls Messi selection we die o hwa a ye GFA na ye selection we enye coach no enye na atizigi it went yan che ball no me say mo pa mo sesan game no mo sesan de ya mo bookie 6 months to 5 months na aka na de ye ne mo a o obi a betwa ni take it aba de mo ye
mintimina abofo mintimina hey eti blasters and the bomboy pa sebi timo dwene ho selection mu ye pa nti enene ye ana mato match no mo negotiate Colombia ana majisika na ebe fie on mato a mo ba mo fa me chefa mame I swear cause man to ene bomboy yi imagine see the boy anka England kumbesi 10 day and obi amohwe ana minim se blasters no am say Jordan bushafon I was say blasters minim Jordan Ayew be a good ness Ghana for company over Ghana any part 90% company. When I go at least almost second half and now the first half no one film. Minim chese yentimi enka yenya Jordan sem. Yentimi enka Jordan sem. Pay be so nya ball what the maw now send ba ku mienu a afa omobo ani biem. En semohena Jordan abedi awo share blàst am mi ehu so shares wom enti no yinfu menye ye anase omuna blàsters yo mu dia mi ehu minim se Jordan so na Jordan to blàsters am mi ehu because menti ase ko ne bo ambo yi mi hu bi da sebi team kwaba local teams a Ghana ha omuni dimpo emmo sabo weda abafafo emmo sanse hubo weda sebi mi say enkwankwa ma school phone gateman sanse school phone kura akwa emmo san kwa sebo weda I never knew. And now but I'm say Colombia for attitude that's how Oma Chemonai and Mamu Oma Chemonai because I don't know. Hey, and saying how much Mamu boy you think I can never everybody. Come immediately. I'm say blàst Jordan ato. I'm say Papa Abedi wato. One toss I need ya. Match about watch out this match fucking match wishless match in there. Maton mani munyam ama Colombia magis kano mon family fi ye fa boa omo ansuo ase omo nyam na afa omo ade hye wu no size ka mo je family omo
na yi obusuafo no de papa be di pele no ade omo pono clip bi wo ho ana odi blackmail omo say omo ye mistake na se ne man ammo a obe liki pono no ana because I didn't cause because everyone knows and feels that I say BB cause when you coach problem BB cause and it controls whoever becomes the coach of the national team. If Zabedi Pele were blackmail GFN or woman Punugu or they blackmail woman come here because and
you see, if Jordan Ayew was the one that shot Tupac will still be alive. Because I know where striker will carry you go World Cup. You registered 0 shots on target. 0 shots on target. Just a relationship go to me. Jordan Ayew, I grant that they strike better than Jordan Ayew. I grant that they strike better than Jordan Ayew. Wasan kasa sa coupon, wasan sa coupon. Jordan Ayew. And I hear say after the match, the interview, they talk about AFCON and things. See, if you don't go and sit down somewhere, like go and sit down somewhere, we will move past these people. It is about time, bro. They have done enough. They have contributed their quota. We will move past this, bro. We can't keep entertaining this thing. We go to a tournament, we go and put up abysmal performance, we will come and sit on social media, we will complain, and we will feel the same people. Because the way your man gave him the talk about AFCON, it means that say he will get selection. Meanwhile, there are youngins in the team who are yearning, bro, to put up beautiful performances. And we are stuck with Jordan, bro. Me won't strike or falling. I think Davido's 4 song, he is actually the inspiration behind Davido's 4 song. Because ain't no way, man. No, hey, Jordan, pass the ball to Jordan. Pass the ball to Jordan. Bro. He always the 4. He the 4 like some I don't know, America them are weather song. So America they have 4. You see the World Cup we going. This being performance summed up. This being performance summed up. In performance summed up in this. Now striker, you do a call World Cup, who register 0 shots on target. How, bro? How can we progress, bro? How can we progress? And after the man, he's talking about, bro, he's talking about, and the coach did well. Well, of course, birds of the same feathers, then they fly together. Coach shine. So they are bonding over mediocrity. They are bonding over their shyness. Get rid of him, bro. They have done enough. If the Ayew family, then they want me to build statue for them, we go build for them. But moving forward, Charlie, enough. You people have served. Allow some people to come and serve. Enough. You alone know if you do everything. Striker, midfielder will get boy, the set striker, then the striker day on an 18-yard box inside. Instead of the opponent, he be up, bro. Striker where he be up. Jordan Ayew was playing for Colombia. He a very defensive striker. And defensive, no crane, so we defend the BBL. Mrs. They say, Jordan, about what tough from now, bro. I respect him. He has done amazing he has done an amazing job as our captain, and he has done an amazing job as a player for the Black Stars. But it is time for him to sit back and watch the youngins strive. Leave the football before the football leaves you. You and Nkansah, the football left you long time ago. Join the bro, leave. Now, all the AFCON, you see the way they talk, like he get confidence, he then go select them for them, because he knows the kind of people we are dealing with. He knows us. If they take us, we idiots. Because he knows at the end of the day, we are still going to select him for the AFCON. He's going to play the qualifiers, and he's going to play the AFCON. If we don't take our time, the World Cup too, we go carry him go. Now, it not be mediocrity where he baff we are. Like this World Cup, then we they tolerate conversations, say make we carry the day go World Cup, bro. We almost tolerated conversations like that in the system. It's not even almost. We tolerated.
The striker there, in Cameroon, you team corner bet. First thing you do, you hide behind one of the center backs. So what you see near the last post, said you better your cross here. Ube make you quick run to the middle and get a free head in or a tap in. And yes, senior man Jordan Ayew, he treats every corner like a fucking penalty. No, I chicken in Nikanaba form. What Nancy and then jogging be as will be the bent to be a shiny trum because of the way now or punetono. No, I quite Gina corner ho. No, I taking Kwasia corner binani in them room. I then senior. Ya ton Ghana blasters amount coming met you amount. And you know whom you come you. Ghana in a counter attack. I feel now quite we baby Gina born as well slow down everything. What destroy everything. No, I thought from no Gina born echi. I bon Kwasia Bob ya for him. No, I starting in 94th time here. Now say, yeah, the bent was to my academy 2 months. Bema baby so me nyina one ye but still senior ye da wase bebre ko ye mpel bio Ghana ye mpel opeye so ye mpel ko
that particular role ente amaye. Then again, minim the entire coach ni be Jordan Ayew for Jordan to be on the pitch for 80 minutes.
Almost 80 minutes.
Super. 80 minutes. Jordan, say Jordan untouchable. My dream woman say your biggest problem as a man, your biggest problem as a country, Jordan Ayew. He adds nothing to the team. Very, very useless striker. Player, your baller, your striker, no. Then you free kick away your own half. Jordan back back away your own half. No, kwako 2 free kick, you know.
Striker also there ni muhono.
Striker also there ni muno. Bono patemu jino bebo bono. Unya bekwa kujina bono ni mse opeja bono etumi di esim. So Jordan ya kana asema meno betena before the game. Catch us say. Or started Jordan ebe you lose. Empire you lost. Why? Because Jordan involvement on the field of play is questionable. Physically, we apart from age catching on. Ontimi monsa runs ni be. Oje ball anu atiato. Jordan to 4. Your friend Forlino. Jordan Ayew, your friend Forlino. Forlino. Jordan to 4 over 20.5. Jordan to 4 over 20.5. We are jokers. Portugal tembe no muyi Vitinha film. Tembe no muyi Ruben Neves film. Tembe no muyi Bruno Fernandes film. 60 minutes, 58 minutes. This is the Portuguese national team.
Argentina ball Nansia. Enzo Fernandez and Alexis McAllister. No one you bench. Julian Alvarez won't bench.
Yeah.
Messi against Jordan on bench.
Even Andra James Rodriguez cry.
James played 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Coach no say no na ho dey aba form. O say me yini free. Quintero no be bomb 70 minutes no. He's one of their best players. Quintero.
Yeah.
One of their best players. He was bench. Now Jordan Ayew to me Jordan Ayew from there. Any problem. And Noah Kwesizibo aseni kanika. Aseni kanika.
Kwesizibo.
Ana oche Elisha Usua. Ase ni boot no team adua panishe mu. Untimi 29.
Sa.
Obe pass ball amana no yesey. Osuro. Midfielder untimi nje ball. One Spain nkwala no.
Yeah.
Na odi nka ayi Real Madrid player we Thiago Pitach mo ne McBain amokro mo Barca nkwala no. Obeje ball 10 omo free ball no.
Yeah.
Yeso de oba na yesey. Omo pate bre. Kwesizibo no. Elisha Usu no. Jordan Ayew kum wasa. Masa, ye ni abre papa. Na Jordan Ayew no, se sa onfa. Asa onfa. The open no onfa. Se next match Jordan in Switzerland bebo. Se wa qualify.
Yeah.
Oni Switzerland. Enko. Yemfa no man dia grossa o. Omo
Obi a kire wadwe e de amame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Akra.